Hello sim racers, welcome back to another video. Users in sim racing community are aware of Cammus C12 steering wheel having the best force feedback for its price range. But the only caveat is that the wheel change process is not very intuitive. Everyone hopes that Cammus C12 had a quick release mechanism. This video is about me turning Cammus C12 from screw-based to quick-release-based sim racing steering wheel. I will show you how to add quick release to Cammus C12 and what are the challenges I have faced and how to solve them. I will be covering the following topics: cost of the quick release, stability of the quick release, loss in performance, ease of installation and wheel change process, gap between the wheel and the pedal buttons. I will share my conclusion in the end of this video, so watch it till the end. Before we get into this video, I request all the viewers to subscribe to my channel as 90% of the viewers are not subscribed and your subscription keeps me motivated to make such information-filled content. First, let's look at the Cammus C12 wheel. The wheel rim is screwed on the hub base, so I needed a very thin quick release mechanism. In my search for the slimmest quick release mechanism, I came across NRG thin quick release, but they do not sell it anymore or it is not in stock. And if it is available, then it is very expensive. Though there are some other vendors selling NRG clones. That brought me to a good seller on AliExpress called Dino Racing, having a similar thin quick release and also very high positive feedback. In the beginning, I was not sure whether it will fit on the wheel and whether it will be stable enough to be used with such high force feedback, but I took the risk and ordered 3 pieces as I have 3 wheels already. I did check all the dimensions and compared it with the actual wheel and it was looking very favorable. I received it within 10 days from the date of order. Let's look at the quick release itself. Here is the original package of the quick release. I have ordered 2 blue and 1 black color. It comes with the whole quick release mechanism, 6 screws and 1 Allen key. It is a simple mechanism. It is 1 inch thick, which is good for use on Cammus C12. When I first tried installing it on the wheel directly, I found multiple issues. The first issue is that the screws sent with the package are too small for the C12 as this quick release is designed for cars which only have the shaft out of the car's dashboard and not have any base plate obstruction. Second issue is the locking mechanism will get bolted on the C12 hub and it will not rotate at all. To solve these two issues, I have to first get longer screws which matches the same specification of the Allen key screw head diameter, and second is to add spacers between the C12 hub and the quick release base. Sourcing longer screw was easy, but trimming it to the same specification as the hole size was the challenge. I had to grind the head of the screw from 8.5 mm to 7.7 mm to make it slide inside the groove hole. After grinding the screws, it was time to install the quick release. Installation process is pretty simple. Just need to add washers to the screws and align them carefully without dropping the washers and tightening them in place. Once it is installed on the C12 side, then fixing the wheel side is pretty straightforward. but you do need more screws for the wheel side as neither Cammus nor quick release seller sends extra screws for the wheel side. The screws on the wheel side are M5 with 8mm thread length. The same can be done for all the other wheels. Finally, everything is ready and it is time to put the quick release to test. After all this, I still have some problem with this quick release. Even with these slight problems, the quick release is very much stable and does the job. I have been using it since 2 weeks now and it has never created any major issues so far other than the slight play which does not really affect the gameplay, but it is felt when turning instantly at a very high force feedback. To resolve this, I plan to add an extra cushion inside the quick release for the wheel to be locked in place tightly. Second is that the pedals are now 1 inch far from the wheel, but they are still under the reach of my fingers. In future, I plan to add a 3D printed extension for the pedals. If I get 500 likes on this video, then I will spend more time on designing the 3D printed extension for the pedals and also create a second video on how to solve these two problems. This was a fun project to undertake as now with the quick release I am able to conveniently switch wheels without the need of screwing and unscrewing 6 screws every time. I hope this video was helpful. If this helped you in any way, then please do like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the alert on the following upcoming videos for C12 quick release. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.